Hey guys, how are you? Well, I'm here again and I wanted to share with you my new abode, my place, um, which I haven't really finished arranging or decorating or getting some stuff for me to use that are but this time the ones that are missing are the ones that are quite expensive, which I'm careful with my budget. I'm already retired, so I'm on fixed income, and hopefully with these videos here in YouTube channel, well, at least if I would be earning, it would help a little, at least something that I some pocket money, something to spend. So anyhow, this is my new place, and I'm I started with very minimal things in here, and the things, as you know, if you have watched my previous videos, when I was arriving here, that I had 6 boxes that were damaged, and so those are the things that I really love to have, since I did pay a good amount of money for it to be shipped here, for them to be shipped here. Unfortunately, because I was stuck in the US for quite a while, almost 3 years to be exact, with that COVID thing. So I put it somewhere because this place is still was in the process of getting built. So I put it somewhere, but I think it was the termites were eating the stuff, and there was so much, like 6 huge jumbo boxes that were damaged. And mind you, those are the things that I really love to have, but well, that's life. Let's move on. Anyhow, so I'm just sharing with you my partially organized place, which I'm quite satisfied and able to see how I'm cleaning it. I still have a lot to clean at the back, and I do all by myself: the cooking, the cleaning, the laundry, the errands, the grocery shopping, and extracurricular activities. But anyhow, I got busy already with church things, so I have 3 prayer groups, and that I have joined, and so I get busier already, and I still have to do this video, and I will have a new channel with the collaboration of another person, which is a totally different content. And so here it is. I have from the plants that I have in my garden. I have already also shown you my video of my current garden, and you can go back and look at them. I have a very nice video there that I have uploaded about my garden, and well, I have nice plants, so I put some plants inside so that I could enjoy them. I still need to put more plants here, but I'm have to hire help because the plants are growing, and so the pots are big, and so it's really heavy to be lifting those and organizing the front of my garden. And I still have to have some furnitures there also, as well as the furnitures here inside, like the sala seat, which I don't have yet. It's all temporary. I'll get to it. I am still shopping, looking for the kind of style and comfort that suits me and I would love to have for a long time. So I don't like to be changing, things. Once it is there, I'd like to have it there. So here I am. I already have enjoyed my place. I already had a fiesta party here that I have entertained my classmates in high school and my childhood neighbors and friends of my siblings. So we enjoyed here some bonding and cooking and food and things like that. And so here it is. I hope you enjoy. I don't want to talk anymore. Well, I can say that this is my workroom where my computer. I'm still wary and sad about the situation of my computer since it's 110 and the voltage here is 220. So I only have 2 transformer and I really need some more, but I have also I wasn't very careful. My 2 laptop is attacked by these little ants, so I have to have it checked and cleaned and fixed. The ones that are my problems really here are mosquitoes. I hate them because they bite me and I itch and I scratch my skin. And other than that, I don't have problems with flies because flies don't come in. Only very, 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 very seldom. But the ants I see 3 kinds of ants here. The little teeny weeny ants, the little red ants, and the fast moving black ants. The cockroaches, I am able to manage it. And whenever they come here or sneak in, they die. I don't know. Probably there's something here that is still they cannot handle. But I'm glad it's the mosquito that's really like a bully. So here it is, the front of the house. That's I was standing at my neighbor's because I was admiring her suntan flowers, but I did not realize that in my back is the front of the house. And also we were surprised by this iris plant that was giving flowers, so I posed in it. It's in the corner of the house. And so here it is from the start when I didn't have a lot of plants and I was still eager to have plants, and so I was just taking pictures so that I would know what to put, what are the things that needed to be done still. It's good to have pictures so that you can see, that what is it that you need to do in order for you to organize the place, decorate the place. And the plants really helps. And my book collections, I had so many books. Well, there were some that were damaged and there were some that I really don't use because I don't have enough space. I have only a very small place here, so I give them away to some of my friends, my neighbors. And these are my stuff in my painting for my art. So I'm able to gather most of my art stuff that I need to use when I do painting or I do crafting or things like that. Were probably a few that were left behind or damaged, but that was okay because I still have a lot. So that's the old pictures that I put here to show you the place when it was empty and didn't have anything here. And then now it's so full packed. I have so many things that I still yet have to sort out, and some to throw away, some to give, and something to just whatever it is that I will use. I was able to sell some of my jewelries though. It has helped me buy some other stuff for my garden. So it's always my garden. It's my garden, my garden. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. And I hope for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. And I also would do the same. And thank you. God bless you. You take care. And let's make life light, easy, and fun no matter what. Okay.